Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. In bacterial meningitis, which of the following cerebrospinal fluid (CSF) findings is most characteristic? CSF. The correct answer is high leukocyte count with neutrophil predominance. Bacterial meningitis typically presents with high CSF leukocyte count, predominantly neutrophils, low glucose, and high protein. Sariyana Badil. CSF. Question 2. Which symptom is more indicative of encephalitis rather than uncomplicated meningitis? The correct answer is altered mental status. Altered mental status, confusion, disorientation, seizures, is a key distinguishing feature of encephalitis, indicating brain parenchymal involvement, which is not typically seen in uncomplicated meningitis. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. A child frequently stares blankly for a few seconds, sometimes with subtle eye fluttering, and is unaware of their surroundings during these episodes. What type of seizure is most likely occurring? The correct answer is absence seizure. Absence seizures, pathitmal, are characterized by brief, sudden lapses of consciousness, often with staring, and are common in childhood. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which of the following is a common risk factor for both ischemic and hemorrhagic strokes? The correct answer is hypertension. Hypertension is the most significant and common modifiable risk factor for both ischemic and hemorrhagic strokes. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. What is the immediate first-line pharmacological treatment for status epilepticus? The correct answer is lorgepam. Benzodiazepines, such as lorgepam or diazepam, are the immediate first-line treatment for status epilepticus due to their rapid onset of action. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Which bacterium is a common cause of bacterial meningitis in adults? The correct answer is Neisseria meningitidis. Neisseria meningitidis is one of the most common causes of bacterial meningitis in adults, particularly in young adults and adolescents. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. A transient ischemic attack, TIA, is characterized by neurological dysfunction that typically resolves within what time frame? TIA. The correct answer is 24 hours. By definition, a TIA is a transient episode of neurologic dysfunction caused by focal brain, spinal cord, or retinal ischemia, without acute infarction, and symptoms typically resolve within 24 hours. Sariyana Badil, 24. TIA, 24. Question 8. Which of the following viruses is a common cause of viral encephalitis? The correct answer is herpes simplex virus, HSV. Herpes simplex virus, HSV, is the most common cause of sporadic viral encephalitis in adults and children. Sariyana Badil, HSV. HSV. Question 9. Which state recently launched the Gyanodaya Shiksha Ru Samriddhi scheme for free education from KG to PG? KG PG? The correct answer is Odisha. Odisha government recently launched the Gyanodaya Shiksha Ru Samriddhi scheme to provide free education from KG to PG. Sariyana Badil. KG PG. Question 10. Which Indian state recently announced plans to implement non-invasive autopsies as part of an overhaul of its post-mortem system? Non-invasive autopsies? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra plans non-invasive autopsies as part of an overhaul of its post-mortem system to modernize forensic investigations. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Union Home Minister Amit Shah recently chaired a high-level meeting to set a 2-year deadline for upgrading 62 major airports in India. What is the primary goal of these upgrades? 62. The correct answer is to enhance security and improve passenger experience. The upgrades aim to enhance security measures, streamline immigration processes, and generally improve the overall passenger experience at major Indian airports. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? The correct answer is Article 17. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Sariyana Badil. 17. Question 13. Which of the following sites of the Indus Valley Civilization is located in present-day Pakistan? The correct answer is Harappa. Harappa is one of the major sites of the Indus Valley Civilization, located in Punjab province, Pakistan. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to which disease in adults? The correct answer is osteomalacia. In adults, vitamin D deficiency leads to osteomalacia, which is characterized by softening of the bones. Rickets is the equivalent condition in children. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Which of the following rivers is the longest peninsular river in India? The correct answer is Godavari. The Godavari River is the second longest river in India after the Ganga and the longest peninsular river, flowing entirely within India. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.